Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma, Engineering and Technology. Subject Applied Mathematics, name of faculty obviously Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter is 1, function is our chapter number, name. So we have to, last lecture we continue about the function which in the form of y is equal to f of x, where x is called the domain and y is called the range of the function in mathematical definition. Now operation on function. F of x is equal to 4x and g of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we have to take the addition of these two functions. F of x plus g of x is equal to 4x plus 2x plus 3. 4x plus 2x is 6x plus 3 remain as the same. Now we have to take the subtraction. F of x minus g of x is equal to 4x minus bracket 2x plus 3 bracket complete. Then we have to highlight. Suppose I use the pointer here. 4x minus 2x, the outside negative sign is there, so minus 2x minus 3. 4x minus 2x, 2x, and minus 3 remain as the same. Now multiplication, f of x into g of x, that means 4x remain as the same, in bracket 2x plus 3. We know that 4 into 2, 8, x into x, x square. So 8x square is the first term. 4x into 3, so it is 4 into 3, it's 12x. Now division rule is applied. F of x upon g of x is equal to 4x upon 2x plus 3. Be careful where g of x not equal to 0. So we have to apply the algebra on function, that is first is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, and last one is division. Now function operation and composition. What means it is called? Suppose we have to take the operation on function which we have to highlight as a h of x. So operation addition, h of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. If f of x is 5x, g of x is x plus 2, then h of x is equal to 5x plus x plus 2, that is the 5x plus x, 6x, and plus 2 remain as the same. Now we have to take the subtraction, that is subtract. H of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So h of x is equal to 5x minus x plus 2. Minus x minus 2, 5x minus x is 4x, and minus 2 remain as the same. Now we have to take the multiplication. H of x is equal to f of x into g of x. H of x remain as the same. 5x into x plus 2. 5x into x, 5x square. 5x into 2, 10x. It is the simplification of the multiplication, that is the multiplication of one bracket with the another bracket. Now we have to divide the term. G of x is equal to f of x upon g of x. So h of x is equal to 5x upon x plus 2. Be careful, x plus 2 not equal to 0 always. That means a function consists of the set of inputs called domain. A set of outputs are called range, and the rule by which each input determined exactly one output. In other words, only one y for every x in bracket x cannot be repeated. That is, domain is equal to independent variable. Range is called dependent variable. Range is y and x is domain. So independent depends on the dependent. That is very important statement we have to highlight. The function and their range, we have to, some function have the range and domain, so we have to discuss this topic again. Y minus 1 y less than equal to 1, y is equal to cos x minus 1 less than y less than equal to 1, y is equal to cosec x, y less than equal to minus 1 or y is greater than equal to 1, y is equal to sec x, y such that y less than equal to minus 1 or y is greater than equal to 1, y is equal to tan x, all real number, y is equal to cot x, all real number. That is, we have to know the range of belonging the trigonometric function. Is last BMS topic we have to discuss about the values of angles of the trigonometric ratios. Functional notation is very important. F of x is said f of x where f is the function name and x is independent variable, that the equation is written in the terms of f of 3, means I replace x with 3 anywhere there is an x in the equation. The same is done by f in bracket a plus b. Note that f of a plus b not equal to f of a plus f of b, which is very important step. Further, function notation is just let us see what the input value is for function substitution statement. If also name the function, for us most of the time we use f, g or h. Examples, f of x is equal to 2x. That is when we read as f of x is 2 times x. So f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3, so is equal to 6. That is, we have to put, instead of x, we have to put 3 value, that is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. For example, suppose second, g of x is equal to 3x square minus 7x. We read as g of x 3 times x square minus 7 times x. What we have to highlight? 3x square minus 7x. If we have to put, instead of x minus 1, 3 minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1, we have to simplify. Minus 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 3, minus minus plus 7, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now function notation we have to evaluating. So function rule is what? F of x is equal to 3x plus 1. If we have to find f of 2, that is 3 into 2 plus 1 is 7. Next, g of x is equal to x minus 8. So we have to put, instead of x, we have to put 9. So 9 minus 8, it is 1. A in bracket s is equal to s square. We have to put a, s is equal to 4. A of 4 is equal to 4 into 4, 16. P in bracket x comma y. It is look like the order pair. 2 in bracket x plus y we have to highlight here. So p in bracket 3 comma 5, 2 into 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3, it is 8, 8 into 2, 16. That's why function notation most probably used as a, for example, f in bracket x is equal to 3x plus 1. Name of the function f of x, it is denotion this way. X is the input, that is domain. 3x plus 1, that is output, range. Always remind that the function f of x, f represent the function name, the x represent, that is the input, x variable use the input, and y variable is always range. Here 3x plus 1 is the range. For example, if we have to put instead of x in above equation 2, we derive 3 into 2, that is 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now we have to put the f is equal in bracket, minus 4 is there. So 3 into minus 4, minus 12. Minus 12 plus 1. Minus 12 plus 1 gives the value 11. So I highlight here minus 12 plus 1, that is minus 11 we have to write. Function notation, x equal to minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 minus of 1. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. If we have to take x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 3 in bracket minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Although f is often used as the convenient function name and the x is often used as the independent variable, you can use the other letters. For instance, f in bracket x, x square minus 4x plus 7. We have to use the alphabet. It is the small letters, that is f of t is equal to t square minus 4t plus 7. And we have to use the alphabet s also. G of s is equal to s square minus 4s plus 7. All define the same function. Use the function notation to evaluate, interpret the function. Evaluate a function. F of x is equal to minus 4x plus 7 when x is equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. Suppose f of x is equal to minus 4x plus 7. We write as a f of x is equal to minus 4x plus 7. If we have to put the x is equal to 2, so f of 2 is equal to minus 4 into 2 plus 7. So minus 8 plus 7 is equal to minus 1. Minus f of, we have to put instead of x, we have to put minus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Minus 4 into minus 2, it is plus 8. 8 plus 7, it is 15. So we derive the if x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 2, we derive the f of x is equal to 15. This way, we have to find the value of the function. It is called also value of the function. What is the same? Yes, let us check. Suppose left hand side 3x square plus 2x plus 1 for x is equal to 4. 3, 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 1. 3 into 16 plus 2 into 4 plus 1. 16 into 3, 48. 2 into 4, it is 8 and 1 remain as the same. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 48, that is 57 is the final answer. Suppose we have to evaluate that thing putting x equal to 4, but here is right hand side, let f of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Find f of 4. That means we have to put, instead of x, we have to put the 4. 3 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 1. 4 square 16. 16 into 3 48. 2 4s are 8 and 1 remain as the same. 48 plus 8 56 plus 1 57. What is the difference? That means here we have to evaluate something and here we have to find the value of function at the point x is equal to 4. That is the main difference here we have to establish. That's why function notation y is equal to 2x plus 3. That means f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Always remind that y is equal to f of x. It is the actual notation in function chapter using mathematical notation. If x equal to 1, y is equal to 5. We have to put x equal to 1. So we have to put the value 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3, it is 5. We have to put, suppose x equal to 2, we derive 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. We have to put x equal to 3, so 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. We have to put x equal to 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. If we have to put x is equal to minus 4, so minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 3 minus 8 plus 5, it is minus 3. If given example have quantity f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1, find f of 2. It is the question. Instead of x, we have to put the 2 there. So 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 square is 4. 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 remain as the same. 8 plus minus 1, it is 7. If f of x is equal to x, where it is b notation here, plus 2x minus 1, same equation we have to establish. Find f of minus 3. Instead of x, we have to put minus 3. Minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 square is 9. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 and minus 1 remain as the same. 9 minus 6 plus 2 or minus 1. 9 minus 6, it is obviously plus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. For each function, we have to evaluate f of 0, f of 1 upon 2 and f in bracket minus 2. The wording are different, but we have to calculate the value of function in all the example discussed in today's lecture. F of x is equal to 8 plus 4x. Substitute each value for x and evaluate. First value is 0. We have to put instead of x here left hand side and right hand both the value instead of x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 8 plus 4 into 0. 4 into 0 is 0. 8 remain as the same. F in bracket 1 upon 2. 8 remain as the same plus 4 in bracket 1 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. We have to find the f of minus 2. F in bracket minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 8. Value gives 0. Now, these are called all the values of function using the constant in each of algebraic pattern or different pattern. We have to today's lecture must highlight about the types of function. In a types of function, we have to most useful thing we have to use, that is the first graph. That is very important. Even function in mathematics. So, a function f of x is even if f of x is equal to f in bracket minus x for all x in its domain. Means what? An even function has the important property line symmetry and y-axis as its axis. This allow as the plot right hand side of y-axis. Then to complete the sketch, draw mirror image on the left hand side of y-axis. Lecture is over.